Hey guys, we get another update on the build. I ran into some problems that I wanted to share with you. Remember in the last couple of videos we went over how important this gap here is between the battery and the pedal, basically for your heel. Putting the wires going through the front here, which I did, you can see the holes there, was a bad idea. All I had to do was put my foot on there and it was nailing this thing every time. It never would have worked. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is just putting the hole here and just running it into there. And they can just basically droop into there. That'll still look pretty cool. And yes, Pee Wee Herman would be proud. It's going to look good. What else? I've decided to do away with the lighting. Been working with this one, and before that one was this one. Both of them worked pretty good. This one ended up blowing up. I haven't taken it apart yet to look at it, but I forgot it didn't have an inverter in it, and I hooked it up to 50 volts or whatever, and yeah, it made a nice pop. This one does have an inverter in it. I'm going to retire them both. Maybe sometime in the summer I'll go through all my crap and start selling this stuff cheap. Maybe somebody else gets some use out of it. Anyway, the light I'm looking to get will go on the front on the triple trees. There'll be a bracket here and here, and it'll basically be holding these bar LEDs, two of them. I think it's 3 for $29, or is it 2? I'll show you the ad on Amazon. But it'll sit in here like that, pointing down. It'll look much better than the one that was going off here. What else? That's about it. I wanted to quickly update you on that. I haven't been touching anything. I got some, I'm doing a job now to get the money together for the batteries. So once I got that, I will give you an update on that. But I wanted to share this before I actually fixed the problem. I'm glad I ran into that before I took it out in the spring and couldn't ride it. These are the ones here. They're the Willpower 6-inch 18-watt LED work light. They're good to 12 to 24 volts. I think in the chat it said it's good up to 30 volts, but whatever. I'm only running them on a 12 volt regulator, so it's not really going to matter. Nice wide beam, which I want. And I also like it's got the heatsink on the back. Should be pretty good for cooling. I'm going to change the mounting on it though. As you can see, I think it's universal. You can take this off here and put a wider bracket on here because there's screw holes for it. So let's hope it has that. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of cool. I'll update you when it comes in. We'll do a review on them. Later, guys.